Okay, so the title of this video is Learn to Earn, and that's exactly what I'm going to tell you about this video, how we can learn and earn some passive income. Simple as that. If you think about that, everything in life is that. Let's say you want some surgery. I'm a physio, so do you know how long it's taken me? It's taken like 5 freaking years to study, to learn, so I can go and use my skills. It's the same for everything in life. Wherever you do, just think about that, how long it takes you to learn so you can start earning. But in the crypto can be different. Also, there are different ways how you can help yourself to to learn so you can earn. Okay, so let me show you a few things right here, what I want to share with you, because I believe this can be extremely beneficial for all of us, including me, including you, and I will tell you from my own experience if this is good or this is not good. And also you tell me in the description, by the way, let me know in the comment section, is this real or not? You need to earn so you can earn. You need to learn to earn. Sorry, I'm getting confused over there. Okay, so let's go back. So this is CryptoPhil, and that's me. Thank you for watching. Make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research and make sure you never put more money you can afford to lose. Okay, so that's my channel, and thank you so much for if you're watching. Now, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment, please, it means a lot. If you want to chat with me, come in my Telegram, it's free. My Twitter, my Instagram, down in the description is the link. Go and click. Now check this out, let me show you. Learning yield farming, what I'm preaching for the last couple of months, is one of the best strategy for me in the crypto space to earn some money. But you cannot just go and go and just pump and dump and all this stuff. No, this is nothing like that. You need to learn. Also, finding low market caps, you need to learn how you can find them. Okay, so it's not just go and buy any kind of shit token and you want to going to pump to the moon. Maybe can. I hope you win. Make sure you give to somebody who don't have afterwards, but that's the chance for that to happen is extremely low. So make sure you understand, better go and learn or pay for somebody to do the learning for you. And you will say, Phil, what do you think about that? I'll give you 2 examples. So first one, I will give you the more hard. You need to learn to earn. That's DeFi space. Earning in the DeFi space is extremely easy. This is Aerodrome Finance. At this moment when I'm doing this video, they have crazy APR. This is, again, yield farming. This is just V2 typical yield farming. Again, what's V2 and all the stuff you need to learn how to get in. So virtual VET, 246 APR. We have what was my favorite, VET TKN, 350% APR, TKN Euro 327. This is crazy APRs. Look, this APR, isn't this sick and crazy? Yeah, it is. Virtual VET 246, and we have also OVN and OVN and USDT 186% APR. That's crazy. Let's go to Orca, amazing, 0.3% per day. So with USDC Jupiter, so 0.4% per day. With so over 1.4% per day. This is when I'm doing this video, this is different and fluctuating. Now let me give you my 2 strategy. So what I'm doing, a lot of people asking to hold tokens or to yield farming, but I'm going to do separate video for that. And I believe the best is to have the both. This one is to make you more money, but here is how we can earn, how we can learn. Go and watch YouTube videos. Go and join many different teams and platforms and learn how they're doing and what they're doing. Join my Telegram. There are many people who can ask and they can help you with that. But one of the best group I find so far is Crypto Lab Research, and this guy is freaking the beast. Okay, Lucas, I love you, man, if you watch this video. Also, it's a paid and free group. Join their free group. Make sure if you join the paid one, make sure you say CryptoPhil send you, because we both going to get a great bonus the 2nd month. Okay, and thank you if you're using my name there. It's helping me a lot. Okay, so he is giving free course up to 1 level free. Go and learn a lot of information for yield farming, for so much information there. Especially if you're new, it's a lot to learn. They have like calls every single night. Okay, on Friday they have like all these, like they're giving you so much information, like like hours and hours research, they're giving to us all in 1 hour. Just imagine how much time we're saving. And this is where I mentioned you can pay to learn. Okay, so basically they doing everything for you, they give you, but you need to finish the job. Okay, you need to basically to learn and then to go and start using that. Again, only risk capital. Now next one what I want to mention is this one. All right, so next one I want to mention is this one. So it's Portfolio Masters. So Portfolio Masters is one of the top platforms, services I use in my crypto DeFi space. Why? I love these guys. They are people who doing all the hard work for me and you. They finding the low market cap gems. Okay, so they finding this market cap gems, so many. There we go. This is what they offer. So it's free and paid. But here they say, okay, they looking all the low market cap tokens between 5, 10, 15 million market cap, and then they say we're buying this, we're buying that, we're buying that. This is how it's looking. They have the free version and paid version, and it's not so expensive. Using my code by the end of the month, May, and I think maybe June, I don't know, you're getting 20% discount. So make sure you use the link down in the description if you want to get the discount. That's the only way. Okay, so go in their free group, check them out, check what they have, what kind of results they have, and then if you want, go and join the paid one. Okay, here are some of the results. Clore AI, okay, they made how many percentage? Clore AI made 1,000%, I think. There we go, 972% APR in profit. This one, Credify, over 1,300% profit since they posted. Okay, so many success stories, and this is their real story. Okay, and how many they have? VIP members 210, and they have members in their free group over 700 members. And this is how much this costs, and it's not expensive when you think about that. Only for 3 months, if you want to try them, it's around $140 with the discount. Okay, for 6 months it's around $240 for 6 months, and for 1 year plan is $400. Again, for me, I don't think it's expensive, because only in their last call what I did great was Octa. What I did already 6-7x my money, and I put only like $100, and I already did $600-700 in profit, and I paid for everything. All right, in a nutshell, to say, if you want to earn in your life, you must do the work. You know what they say, you can bring the horse to the water, but you cannot make him drink the water. So make sure you do the job. But there are many tools like this one, like Portfolio Masters, like also like this guy, Crypto Lab Research, where they can help you to earn much faster. So you're paying for that, but you're getting in return a lot of work did by somebody else, and you just need to finish and to implement. All right, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment and let me know what do you think. Love you all. See you in the next one. Goodbye.